Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. Now, for some strange reason, this part of the video's audio just went dead. And that could have been because my idea of a great birthday surprise was to take Jilly to a jerk chicken street side food stop. Yeah, maybe it could have been a dead idea. I don't know. But let's see what Jilly thinks in the rest of this video.
You have to love Melissa. Melissa is just...
She's so personable.
Very personable and it shows.
She's a sweetheart.
Straight.
So you guys should come and support her.
Yes,
and she's
right
in Buff
here.
Bay.
Right here.
Melissa. I feel like I know her a long time. You know, like my friend from long time. Yeah, from primary school days. Yeah.
As we came out the car, she was just like, my
She
friend
actually
them
recognized
come.
us. Yeah, that's like a really nice feeling to know, you know.
Facts.
Chicken, the pangle, and the fries and nugget.
The vibes.
Fried corn. Yeah, we have a festival here.
Where you say?
We have a festival here, but chicken no kind of run out and no kind of rush the pan.
Where you for the festival?
Yeah, man, they soon get the festival, man. Festival is here. What is a festival? No worry, I say. But through the curve from rush, I know we have to do the light. We have festival in the pot here. Festival fees in the church.
I like her.
Masha.
You get a little festival and
Vibe.
side and
Yeah.
right. With that jerk. Yeah, man. But through the curve, you know, we have to do it fast.
True, true.
And sort out that we can do that little thing. But today, go on, you know? You have to give thanks to the cow, so we have.
Straight.
And you don't know. So I say go.
True.
That class early, I know I'm going early, I'm going early drinking.
Oh, them drink liquor and want some soap.
You can want them come soup to straighten up the road, you know,
Melissa, so come super straight up the road.
yeah. Strong up, you know?
You can't sleep
Live
right,
up yourself.
you can't like try.
Every day they must rise up.
Yeah, man. Can't live right, I am on the side.
It's good? Oh, go on feed, alright? You can tell say the soup really good because all know Jilly not offer me not even a taste. Sorry, it's okay, it's your birthday tomorrow.
Let's do that. I'm so greedy. I'm sorry.
Yes, please, thank you.
Fire.
Fire! Show it! Yo, smoky, you can smell that good jerk. Smoke, it's really good. Oh, this is for me now?
Yes.
Wow.
You just take a taste of it and so I go on.
Alright, no
But
problem.
I'm glad I don't come back for the scene. They say, you have no put a man that come back for the scene. I'm not come back still. And then I reach a pole and they are coming.
Straight, man. So as you guys know, with my food reviews when we do them, like if I go to a place and I go there twice, you know the food is good. And Jilly thought of it. Funny story, Jilly has a friend that has a cook shop. Alright, never mind.
We drove past the place and I was like, you know what?
No, but I'm
So Steven's like, I'm going to Melissa because he thought it was probably a friend.
Yeah.
It's a jerky.
She's good with names. I forgot that it was Melissa Brown, but
Melissa
yeah.
Brown,
If you said jerk, I remember.
rice and peas also for the
Alright. It's been a while since I did this. Like, it's very mellow. Like, it's a nice thickness to it. It's not too thick. I can taste like the corn. Is the corn in there? You can taste the corn, you can taste the pump, you can taste a bit of the lobster. Oh God.
See, I feel the nice customer always support me. Stay right here.
We're on the last of the soup, guys, so there's no food in it. Really, but you can taste the flavor. You can actually taste it.
That was really good.
Corn. It's like really nice.
That was really good. Really good. Alright, so red peas and red chicken, yeah.
But that's a good drink from the cup.
This one's a lot more savory. It's a lot more savory.
On the side.
So maybe people say fry corn.
That is festival.
Oh, I was like, all right. For those who don't know, fry corn is festival. I did not know that.
But I have no more meat.
I did not know that.
Yeah.
Should have fried corn.
I would. Wow. I don't even know which one I prefer. If I prefer this soup or that soup.
Which one is soup, Rasta? Come soup. Yeah. Me a young boy keep telling us for woman out back.
It's two different flavors.
Completely.
But both of them taste
Which is good. Which is good to like have a nice contrast. Yeah, right.
We are living. When you're in the States, you can check out Mobile Coal Pot. That's my auntie restaurant. You understand?
Yeah.
Coal Pot and grill. Check out Maureen. She's responsible for that. Ready again. See there. Well cooked, no blood.
Right.
Tender. Can't too dry.
What fire man? What fire man? Yes.
I know when meat cooked, just slide off all the spoon.
Sure.
Tear up, well juicy. Yeah.
Sweet.
Remember, I'ma tell you. Just take off your girl one, yeah?
for festival good, right?
Oh, you bet.
This one?
Back to them king on drive car. Back to them king on drive car. But don't really wise one and come back a country and like that. So country man and town and still come back a country.
You guys remember Big Sam last time? Yeah, he got a broken foot. So we've been feeding him. This time he doesn't have to run around. Well, he can't run around for it. He's lost a couple of pounds, I would say. Oh boy. You gonna get big piece of breast?
Should we put extra pieces in there?
Okay. Hey Biggs. Biggs. This strong, bro. Hey. Hey buddy. He's so sad for him. I hope he makes it. Alright guys, so right behind me, that is our little jungle suite. So where we are, Jilly finally found out we are at the Canopy House. So I was speaking to her and Sarah a while back, and I remember them talking about Canopy House. I was like, yo, why not? This would be a really great birthday treat. So we're here right now, and let me just say, I actually love the setup of this place. It's like nestled right inside the forestry. Tomorrow I'll actually give you guys a more in-depth scene because it's a bit dark for the camera. But this is the walk up, and that's our cabin right up there. It's really nice. Like I was saying, it has those nice little flora fauna thing going on. And Jilly is happy.
Guys, I want to cry.
Why you wanna cry?
Because I'm happy. Thank you, Stephen. I really appreciate it. Like, guys, I've always wanted to come to this place. And when we went to Great Huts, I showed it to Stephen. Steven, thank you.
Yeah, that's what you call attention to detail.
Guys, the place is beautiful. There's an outside shower. It's like... Give me a few minutes, guys.
I want you to give them the tour. Give them the tour of your new house.
Alright, so we're at Canopy House. So there is like a property that has 3 houses. So we're in the Hummingbird. So it opens out. It's like you're in the rainforest.
Straight.
Yes, it's like the rainforest. It's just beautiful, guys. You can't really see much because of it's dark. But it's nice. It's really nice. You know someone love chat. And if I want to see someone not chat, guys, I'm overwhelmed.
Alright, so that is the outside part, but to add more to detail, you'll see that there is a nice little sitting lounge area out there. Surprisingly, I don't feel any mosquitoes as yet. Now, cool features that you guys can notice is that above us it's the zinc rooftop, and that was strategically used because I am guessing once the rain falls you'll hear the pitter-patter of the raindrops. Yeah, and that is entirely a vibe.
It rains a lot in Portland, so I mean, I would like some rain.
Vibes.
And for those who would prefer, there's an AC unit.
There is an AC unit as well.
Keep the place closed up, no insects and stuff, but we're gonna have it open because
exactly, and there's a fan. So since I came in here, it was really cool. Nice little bed there. Over here
there's a coffee and tea station, guys. Tea.
Is that Twinnings?
Yes, Twinnings.
What? Twining?
Twinnings, yes.
Okay, I always say Twinnings.
Yeah.
Okay.
English tea. You have green tea, and you have my favorite
Try
Earl's Grey tea.
Earl's Grey.
Yeah. And a little refrigerator. Guys, the place is very nice, very cute, well set up. Then we're gonna go to the bathroom.
So what I like about the bathroom is just the attention to lighting. I think in the night it's a little bit more romantic type of feeling. It's not very bright lights, but in the daytime I'm certain, once the sun gets through there, it's gonna give you a nice thing going on there. You got your mirror. But I think my favorite part of the place is definitely outside, the outside shower. Yeah.
There you go, guys. It's a rain shower.
It is a rain shower and
opens up.
It's open, so even though you can come out here naked and everything, no one will be able to see, because again, just forestry all over. So that for me is an absolute vibe, and it's a big shower space. Like,
yeah, it's very big, guys. It's very big.
Really, like probably like 4 or 5 people could be in the shower space. Really, yeah, nice little shower space.
Nice.
How do you feel?
Happy.
You happy?
Yes, I feel very happy. I'm excited to be here. And tomorrow's my birthday, guys, and I'm very big on birthdays. And I'm very glad that my friend did all this for me, It's a big deal. Thank you again, Steve.
No problem. All right, so I guess we will wrap up until tomorrow morning. I'll try to show you guys how everything looks like in the morning. Hopefully sometime very soon I'll be able to give you guys some drone flights. Haven't gotten a drone just as yet, but it is coming. Shout out to everyone who has hit me up in the GoFundMe. You guys have been fantastic. The link will be in the description box if you do want to continue showing some support. Shout out to my patrons. You guys make all these videos happen. You guys show tremendous support, because as I said, for us YouTubers, we're spending on a lot of stuff right now. My truck is in the shop because we're getting it worked on so that it can also be a huge part of the adventures to come. A cool thing about this spot here, speaking of adventures, is that the Blue Lagoon is like literally like a 3-minute drive, so that's going to be something that's going to be so awesome. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the morning where I'll show you guys a little bit more and we can see what's up for breakfast. Morning, guys. Yo, beautiful morning. You guys can already hear. I hope the mic is picking it up. The birds. I wish you guys could smell like the fresh, clean air that is here, and this is really nice. You feel kind of secluded and separated, but you can still see a couple stuff. So that's really cool. But guess what? This morning is Jilly's birthday. By the time you guys see this video, of course, it's beyond that. But I still want you guys to drop a comment and just say, happy birthday, Jilly. Every birthday is good to... Jilly, where are you there?
Good morning. Hi. It's my birthday, guys. Happy birthday to me. Please don't ask my age.
Yeah, so that's the vibe. So Julie's gonna make some coffee, and quite possibly I might just sit out here and try to edit some videos. I know the videos have been a little bit sporadic of late because I've had a couple stuff doing at the moment, so that's the reason for that. But yeah, there's not even any Wi-Fi so strong up by this cabin, so to speak. So anyway, I'll try to update you guys on that based on the Wi-Fi and stuff. But this house is called a Hummingbird. It's a Hummingbird lodge. The whole concept of this place is supposed to make you feel like you're somewhat camping, but you're not. You're still in the luxury of having the amenities that you need. I believe there should be a restaurant here to have some breakfast and stuff, so I'll take you guys there as well. But so far it's beautiful. I can see the sun peeking through the flora fauna. It's wow. You guys need to come here. I kid you not. Guys, in here smells like foreign. I don't know. For me, every time I go to the US, especially in the airport, you can just smell that strong, distinct aroma of coffee. That's what in here smells like. So we have somewhat a French press thing going on in here. So Julie has some coffee going on. It smells really good. All right, so I'm actually waiting for my coffee right now, and while I do that, I'll try to do some editing in around that time. And the funny thing about that for me, I find like I'm not the best at managing my time. If you're like that, drop it in the comments and let me know. I think the reason for that is based off a strength and possibly a weakness as well, where I get so focused in on one particular thing that I want to see that one thing done and done well. So I don't know if I mentioned, like, my car is in the mechanical shop right now getting some work done on it, and for the past 5 days that has been my focus. Like, I've been down there every single day, seeing everything that's been happening, where I could have focused on making the videos and editing, but that's just me. So I definitely think it's a weakness, and I think it's somewhat of a strength in some cases. So if you guys share anything similar to me in terms of being a big procrastinator or not focusing, drop it in the comments. But these are good things for us because it gives us room to keep improving every single day, right? It's kind of good to me. Not strong, but something about that flavor that I like.
No, so I actually poured it. I had to push a thing down and then pour it. But because it doesn't have the spout, I had to make sure that,
Happy birthday.
Thank you, Stephen Phillip.
On national TV. Alright guys, so I've been editing from about 6 a.m. My battery's about to die, so past 2 hours I've been editing this footage for you guys. I'm sure you guys have seen this video already, but yeah, time to put it to charge and go get some breakfast. So my goal is fresh right now, and last night, late in the night, like a outdoor fresh was like, yo, this is probably one of my favorite parts about this entire room, yo.
JA! Oh my god. Sarah made this for me for my birthday. It was a surprise. Well, kind of a surprise.
She was trying to. Sarah was just like, what did Sarah say?
Sarah sent me a message and she said, is your waist usually like 10 inches less than your hips? Because she's making something for somebody and the girl don't normally answer her messages. So you know me just say, oh, she take me for a fool. We just go for my tape measure up the thing. Cause I just figured it was for me, and this is what she did for me, guys. The color is like beautiful and it would look lovely on my skin tone.
Yo, big shout out to Sarah for gifting Jilly that awesome gift. Anyway, I feel fresh, feel amazing. I'm gonna get some breakfast. And speaking about gifts, yeah, got Sarah a nice gift because Sarah's birthday was not too long ago as well, but the gift that I want to get for her, I had to wait till someone brought it down. So got her, drop in the comments what you think I got her. Didn't guess it? Yeah, got her some AirPods because Sarah has been dying for some AirPods. And yeah, she's a big music fan, and sometimes when she's around me and she's just playing the music loud and I'm trying to do something, I hope you enjoy your gift, sweetheart. This is life. Look at this, man. Oh my gosh. I look at Beans. Cute as a button.
Thank you.
Look at the birthday girl.
One time for the birthday.
You get decent TV there though. Good stuff.
Yes,
Good
I'm a
stuff.
beard.
Your beard.
My beard.
You smell good. What do you have on?
Excess Cocorobana.
Excess Cocorobana?
Cocorobana.
Yeah, for the.
It's called Pure Seduction.
So for those of you who know that scent, that's a little bit of smell-o-vision. That's as best as I can do it for you guys. I love this dress that you have on. It's like a little summer dress type of set. It's a shorts thing. Oh, nice vibes. All right, I don't even know where is this breakfast area, but we're going to try to figure it out. Yeah, it's just like, trust me, even just to find this place was kind of a little bit different because it feels like you're in a jungle, and getting here in the night, boy, it was a little bit, but not so hard to find, but a little bit tricky. Where sounds like, oh, that looks like a dining area maybe. Yeah, looks pretty central. So yep, I do. No, so you smell good. You smell mature. This ain't no Bath and Body Splash, whatever you call that.
Definitely not. Nope.
All right.
Really maintain this property.
Yep. It has that nice rustic approach, but clean, like in the areas that need to be clean, you know? Like, check here, of course, grass and leaves and stuff like that will be there, but you can see it's properly raked. It's a whole vibe, man. Ooh, guys, check this out. It's beautiful.
Good morning.
Morning. Amazing. Wow, she's amazing.
Yes.
All right, so we just confirmed that we can actually walk down under the step thing and get right to the Blue Lagoon. What I love about this breakfast area, it feels kind of like a secluded VIP lounge kind of stuff. It feels like when you come to like a really big family home.
It's nice.
Oh my God. Can't quite show you guys everything because there are people here.
Thank you.
Don't want to invade their privacy. But guys, you can see the Caribbean. So dope, so dope.
Thank you, my dear.
For
Sorry,
sure.
thanks, Steven. You know, the dear.
My dear. Alright. Is it good? I got a taste, man. You know what I'm saying? I got listening ears, man. I know people in high places, man. Alright guys, so sat you guys all down. Hope you guys can see and just feel the whole vibe of this place is. You know, usually have places that they rely very heavily on air conditioning. Like this place has like free flow ventilation. The fans up there is just to help to circulate the air, whatever, but the key thing, as you guys know, I love reviewing food. So I don't care how beautiful this place is. If the food is not up to par. You guys know. I'm gonna tell you. Alright? But as Jilly said, we can smell the coconut rundown or mackerel or something like that. Salt mackerel. Alright, so let's get into the eating, eh? Yeah, guys, so it's confirmed, like, the Jamaican special is the salt mackerel rundown with Johnny cake, as they would say, but Jamaicans, we just call it fried dumplings. But if you're old school, that's what we call it, Johnny cake. And I like this menu. It might sound crazy because it's ultra thin. What I like about a smaller menu is that there's not too much to choose from. So at least whatever is on it, it's specialized. It should be done really well. You get what I'm saying? Do you agree or do you not?
I agree.
Yeah?
That's why you put like a living room. It's called a living room.
Oh, you see? You see, and that's where when you want the artistic approach to stuff, because like I felt that artistic approach, that they wanted it to feel like a living room. As I walked in, I was like, yo, this feels like my future living room, you know, like when I got like my kids and my big family just rolled through and stuff. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. All right, so I didn't to look any further. The Jamaican breakfast, that's where it's at. Yeah. Hey, yo, bro. You ain't got no more them nice glasses? You ain't got no more them nice glasses, babe? Yeah, man. Only one set. Can I get that one? Yeah, yeah, please. If I drink all of this, I'm gonna feel like weird. No, like these glasses, these are like traditional glasses in Jamaica. Yo, look at the difference, guys, and tell me if you don't feel the difference in these glasses. Which one would you like to drink out of? Look at this one. Look at this glass. So with this particular glass, it kind of aerates the water. So when you drink this water, that's not nice. You're not live good.
Cheers.
Not with that. Not with that, please. Ooh, coffee. You know you're gonna make the coffee for me already.
As always. Thank you. I'm gonna probably need some more sugar. Yeah. Yes, alright, thank you.
Cause when I like my sugar spike up in bitter.
This is gonna be like sugar for you.
No.
Sugar for one, because you know you already on the sugar. I'm soon cut you off for sugar, no worries.
That would not be mercy, gazi.
I have a cut back on Pepsi, you will have a cut back on sugar.
Alright guys, so we saw the chef this morning and she made the breakfast. It looks so good, yo. Guys, check this out. I dump it down. Soft, you can hear the crisp. Bob, you are singing a little bit too loud, I love you. But people can't hear the crisp. Hear that? How does it look, Julie?
It looks like it tastes good.
It looks like it tastes good already, though. That's important.
Dumpling texture, you feel it?
Soft, no.
Oh my god.
Worth it?
Good. Nice.
Try some of this on the rundown. Look at the rundown, guys. God, that looks really good. It's the way how I like it. Not too runny, even though it's a rundown. and not too thick. Oh my God, Jillian, you still.
Guys,
Heaven.
why? I have to come back and taste it.
It's good.
This food tastes like some your grandmother would
What I make?
It's nice.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, Stephen. And guess what? The vegetables is not overcooked.
Crisp
Still
sandwich.
have a nice little crunch. Just right. And not too salty. It tastes good. Guys, check this place out. Not gonna lie. It have a kind of rustic feel, but it's very classy.
Yep.
You know, very classy. Like, I feel like I should be here having some champagne, like a mimosa or something.
Nice.
Just feel like, you know, that's the vibe. Just like, you know, really rich.
Guys, look at this dumpling, yo. Oh my gosh. This is what you're looking for. A good fried dumpling. Is that aeration? Perfection, bro. Look at that, guys. Just a little bit on the saltier end for me, but oh my gosh, the dumpling.
It's messy, yazzy.
You can almost peel off the layers. Well done. So breakfast was amazing, yo. And the funny thing, am I gonna hit up? Whoa, bro, that was mind-boggling. But anyway, really cool thing about this is that when I travel to these places, I like getting information and stuff. And you guys remember when we were in Great Huts before? Really cool place. But here, it's rustic like Great Huts, but it gives you that really classy and nice vibe, which I really like. Now, what is super cool is that the ex-manager of Great Huts is actually managing this place now. So go figure. But yo, it's really divine out here. Funny enough, our waiter used to work at Great Huts as well. He said sometime last year or whatever. So yeah, and it kind of shows the conditions of stuff because he started working here last year August, so it's good that they can still employ people during this whole COVID pandemic thing. But yo, I think this is one of my favorite places ever so far. I think they hit everything spot on. Great vibe of rustic. You don't know, some persons just like a little bit of class, and this has it, yo. It's ridiculously good. I don't know if you guys are listening well enough, but you can hear the birds. You can hear the birds, yo. Yo, Jamaica needs to have a lot more places like these where it is just quaint and just nice, you know, and not destroying, you know, too much of the natural environment and the habitat. So the birds do have their homes, and we have somewhere that we can you know, just enjoy, man. It's really nice. And you guys might notice that there is an outdoor kind of lounge area if you want to have something to eat outside. It's really nice. I love the concept of those lights. If you look patiently or keenly enough, you realize that it's very reminiscent of like a bird's nest but upside it down. So that just blends in well. And that looks like, ooh, that looks like a passion fruit tree. If you guys know passion fruit trees, they are runners. So it ran all the way from somewhere onto this tree and it's growing. Wow, it's a really nice property. Really, really, really nice. big ups to the architect. Alright guys, it was really cool hanging with you guys, and you don't know, if you guys enjoy hanging with me, you know how to find me. Again, drop a subscribe on the channel if you want to show some support, drop a like, drop a comment, and I'll definitely take you guys to some more cool places. The next video, I'll try to take you guys down to the Blue Lagoon and stuff like that. Anyway, remember these 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation, and always remember, keep the link. Happy birthday, Julie.